girl. I saw a girl at New Animal Park. Did you know that, Parker? I know you don't know what I'm saying, but you still are a restless boy.
A restless boy?
Uh-huh. You are a restless boy. 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 So restless. So restless. So restless. Yes. Look, Parker, some juice. Some juice. Just kidding.
That's mean, Charlize. Don't do that. Don't do that, okay? You have too much orneriness in you.
What are you doing? What are you doing? You just have some pudgy little cheeks. Some pudgy little cheeks. And you were just so cute eating that baby food. Every single day. You're just so cute eating that baby food. I know you're taking that video. I know you're taking that video. We're going. Did you know? It's today. Okay. Parker. Yeah, I saw those eyeballs wide open. And I see you taking that video. Yeah. Wait, good, Parker. Yeah. You're such a bad boy. You're such a bad boy. You're such a bad boy. Yes, 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 you're such a bad boy.